looking at different things and everything. Yeah, guys, look. I should be flipping. I should be flipping. Look. Look, table at Ikea. I don't like it. Look. This is a nice girl. Why do we not have this? Right, look, guys.
I like these mirrors.
Look, guys. Look at all this stuff, like. Okay, let's go. What is this? What is this? Okay, let's go to the next section. Oh no, let's go to the next section, guys. I can't pack it, I don't know. It is. The little fireplace. The table's, it's mid. It's mid. Mid. All the shelvings. Couches, table. Nah. Nah, guys, kind of mid. Nah, I don't know. Nah, mid. Kind of mid. Nah, kind of mid, guys. It's mid. I don't know, it's kind of mid today. Let's go to the next section, see what the heck is there. Wait, which section are we going to now? No, I don't know if this is real or not, but let's see. No, this,
229.
229.
I think it is real.
Look at all this stuff, guys. Look. These couches. This is a great couch, and now it's mid. Now it's mid. I really don't like that yellow couch, guys.
It's already dirty.
No, I mean, it's not dirty, it just looks ugly in general. I mean, just look at this table. Look, guys, more. Next. Over here, look. Look at the next one. The next thing, this TV. The couch I think the couch is pretty. Not bad. Not bad, but it has shelves as well, shelvings. Shelves. It has shelves and everything. And yeah, it has shelves and everything, guys. The table. A big coffee mug on the table. No, the keyboard's on the bad. See more. There's more stuff over here. Over here. Next section. This is pretty. This is kind of like Japan. See this? All these white, the white couches. And the chair's rough. I don't like the chair. It's kind of gonna be rough. Here's a table. Laptop stand. See? Okay. Next section, guys. No more section. Okay, let's just walk a little bit. We're going to see the blue room over there, but there's people over there.
They're just like little sets. I wish it was like letting you rent.
Why? Let's go that one because someone's here.
Stop.
Okay, look at the next section, guys. a book. It has couches. It has more. It has not only this couch, it has more couches and other stuff. Like, look. You see? Can you guys see? Live, can you guys see it? Look. Make my arm. It has these. Animal prints. Big couch, big stairs. A guitar. A guitar. Yeah, next section now. We didn't go in here. Let's see. Alright, next one here. A pink couch.
I can also see the lamp.
The table. See the table, guys? See the desk? I don't know. Mid.
Table is like, that's a
It's mid. See all these glasses. These are good. Like the shrubs are good. These tables, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the tables, guys. I don't know. One of these. Look stream. Look at this, guys. Look at this live. Look at all this. But make sure everybody is subscribed to my YouTube channel. Humming into 1.7K. Humming into 1.7K, and look at all this stuff. That table is it's okay. Oh, there's still more. Look. On the couch.
See, I want to play Rocket League right now.
Okay. I feel like if I bought a house, you guys would be there all the time.
No,
And that's fine.
I'm live streaming. Look. The light. It has this camera. It's good. iPad. Move your gosh dang it. Move your gosh dang head. Gosh dang head. Are these real? I can read one? Okay, let's go to the next one. I'm gonna sneeze, I think.
This is your Brooklyn home.
No. Alright, next one. Okay, guys, look at it, guys. The table, and the chairs. Yeah, these are all fake stuff and they're not real. Oh wait, this is someone's store, I think.
Me?
Okay, live, look. Wait, we missed it. I think this is someone's studio apartment. Hey, this is someone's. Look at all these things you can buy. These. Oh, no more homes, Tom. No more homes. Huh? Homes. Look, TVs now. Tables. More tables. More tables. More stuff. You can keep going this way. More shelves. You keep going this way, more, there's some glasses. More glass. Shelving. And then you just go this way.
Well, kids, you're right.
Here's a bathroom. Okay, guys, look. This is the shower thing that my sister wants. Kind of shower she wants. See? This is the kind of shower my sister wants. If you want to explain.
This is the shower that I want. Look at it. You see how there's no tiles, so this is easy to clean. You could just mop this down.
Okay, now we're good. Okay, she just wants to clean it. You can clean mom and down. That's all she wants it for. More shelving. This is more shelvings, guys.
$559. That's not bad.
I think mom's bathroom is broken. You know that, right? You know mom's bathroom. You know this part.
This is nice. Huh?
Mom's bathroom. You know the full thing is broke, and dad's broken. Let me show.
That's 9.
Look,
Just for the set of 5 is 9.
look at this sink. It has shelves. I wish I had this in my house actually.
Really nice. The vanity.
Most people have the. Look at this.
I feel like that could literally fit my room because
Look at all this stuff.
bathtub itself is like if I just have a shower that's this long, I could have a little cabinet on the side. Like maybe not the whole thing, but like half of this.
In your house? In your house?
No, in our current bathroom.
Oh.
Yeah.
What about your house? You have to know about your.
Good inside my-
Look, now look at the next house. The next bathroom. Look at the shelves. Mirrors. Mirror on the wall. Mirror on the wall. On the wall. More. Look. Toilet. The mirror. I actually like this green. The green is actually beautiful. The green. Let's walk now, guys. Let's go. Look at their shelves. More shelvings.
Oh, we're going back.
And this way. Look at these shelves. More shelvings. let's go here. Look. Look at all this.
It's not even that colorful. He does have the shirt.
Look at all this stuff.
I bought that.
That's the most colorful shirt he has.
Mirror. Plants. Plants. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh la la me. Ooh la lee. Look. Alright, look guys, actually be looking. Little forks, knife, plate. There are like some tables. More tables, more tables, more tables. More.
Yeah.
Look at the beds. The beds, guys, the beds. Another bed. Oh, this is a pink bed. Purple.
Have a drawer, but it doesn't have the people in the back.
Look, all pinky, colorful. This is red, blue, and gray sheets. Another bed. Another bed. Ooh, my sister's. Look, your bed. Oh yeah. Sorry, y'all. I can't see comments today. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened today.
Closet,
I can't comment, or I don't know if you guys commented or not. Look at this. You know, all this stuff. I'm so 6'7", you know.
I wasn't meant to be broke.
I like this.
I was meant to be.
I like that mirror.
Look in the bathroom. This bed. Okay, let's walk to the next section. More.
I hate that it's not on separate section.
I don't know why they did that. That's unsatisfying.
Mirror. Look, guys.
Stop, Ken. Get in here.
Oh, the iPhone.
No. What the heck? Why'd you? Are you like joking?
No, I'm not joking.
Men.
How much is that? That's a cheap thing.
Nah.
What? Why is this $4.79? That doesn't even make sense. This is $700, but the other one was out earlier.
Oh, the helmet. Lighting. Baby bed. There's an exit, nothing in there. Bedroom, bathroom, more bedroom. mirrors, chairs, high chairs. Nothing. Fake plants. And now let's walk. Let's walk the walk, calm the calm, down and down, jump and jump. Okay, now you can see life. There's all this. The room is pink. And the chair right there, and the table, the wooden table, the mirror, the light. It has pictures. It has shelves, 1, 2, 3. Table. The table has drawers on both sides even. Come on. Hey, come on. Pick it up. Cute cornered ass. Computer is fake. It's so fake. They're building another home. They're building another home. Look. And we're going backwards. We're going backwards. Oops. Look in this room. Back there was actually another room. Hey, come on. Alright, let's keep walking. Let's keep walking, going around. We're just having fun right now at Ikea, if you guys want to know. Ikea having fun. Looking at stuff and everything, guys, so let's keep walking. We need to go to a different store? We're gonna go to another store next. We're gonna lock it and go to another store now. And then I'm gonna go to the third store, but there's no good Wi-Fi in that store, so only the next store that I'll be ending the live after the second store. More beds. You see, there's more beds, more stuff in here. There's more tables. Ooh la la. We got tables. There's a bunch more stuff, tables and things. There are a lot of stuff. This is beautiful. Not too small for me.
Why would they do that? It says, why would they make it uneven?
Nice. Keep looking. And we're not home. We're not going back. We're still here. Then we walk a different way. What are they building here? I'm confused. I know.
I mean, but it's only because I'm only 34. I'm only 34.
Look, stuffed animals. Snuffies. Snuffies, snuffies, snuffies. Snuffies. Lions, dogs. What are we doing? Food eating? What are we doing here? Huh?
Then let's look at the menu.
Love. Love.
How did they make the mac and cheese?
They got mac and cheese for $49. And
And it's only one different calorie. It's less than the meatballs, the calories from mac
okay,
and
so
cheese.
y'all want to share mac and cheese and meatballs?
No, I'm not hungry.
Oh,
I'm not hungry,
if
sir.
you came later on, I would have.
Yeah.
I'm kind of a little hungry.
We're not hungry. You can wait until you go home. Save money free.
But it's like,
How many likes on it though? That's
I don't know. We will just keep walking, guys. And keep going. And we're just gonna follow the arrows. And one thing I like about Ikea, they got arrows everywhere. One of these supplies, we didn't have supplies. But I don't mean no, the show likes it, the show for the show.
go ahead.
Look, ooh, this is beautiful. These both are pretty. Look. Look at these containers. Containers. The container store. Look.
Happening here, I
Why this one? You know what I mean, right?
They were probably about to argue.
Huh?
They were probably about to argue and then they
This is not what therapy should be.
I want my own.
Hear me? Helen,
You're reconfirmed.
hear me? This is not therapy.
It's not therapy, but sometimes
Helen,
communicate.
anywhere?
Apparently, I don't know.
Look. Look at this. Yeah. Guys, look at all of this, guys.
Our eggs are on the right. They'd have to go from left to right.
Look at all this.
You know Japan drama?
Look at all this. Then there's pillows. More pillows. Where you guys go? There's more stuff. There's bed sheets, bed sheets. More soap, carpets, and carpets. Look, more. No, look here. No. Look. Mm. Mm.
She was smaller than this thing.
I know. Look. More stuff, guys. What are these? They're gross. Not tough. Where the exit? We have to run her. We have money on. I don't know why you have to buy everything. See, that's on sale.
I just said it's a good deal.
And then you look like you want to buy it. I know you.
So bad.
Look at all the bags.
I like the Ikea.
Oh. Look at the umbrellas. 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 Hey. Umbrellas. Ella.
You can edit the bro.
Alright, let's go back. Look. LED lights. You know, I have still my LED lights got in my house. I never use them anymore.
Ooh, I want to get that for our dining room. Don't touch.
No.
Rug.
No.
So boring.
Standard. Boring or classic.
No. Rug. Just like face rug. You know what face rug is you know what face rug is? A rug. He's a face rug. Ha ha ha. He's a rug.
What about face table?
There's such thing as face table. More stuff, guys. I think they're tired of seeing me. They gave me 0 minutes. I think I'm tired of Ikea now. Look, guys, there's more stuff over here. Here. Now I'm gonna have to do this when I get home. I have to clip and make shorts now from this. This is so.
Not in the mac and cheese.
No.
Stomach hurts.
Too late now. I'm not going back now.
No.
No, it makes sense. No, it's too far. I'm too tired. I'm not going back all the way back, far to the back. That's fine, we can just get it at home. Durability test. Plants. Look, plants, guys. It's the best thing ever. It's the best thing ever. You're buy something from the food market? Ooh. Wait, how money? Like, when is there some Korean food?
What Korean?
Like, something. What is this?
Not Korean.
Is alcohol? Can I get one? You know, I like this drink.
That's a meal.
Another drink.
Alright, let's talk about it.
My dad hurts today. I don't know what's going on.